is Dana Johnson. Today I'd like to share with you just a couple tips of how to keep food from sticking to your stoneware. Right here I have a stoneware baking sheet. And so what I need to do with this regularly is put some olive oil on it, at least every 3 to 4 months, and go ahead and season it. Put it on and drizzle it on with and spread it around with a paper towel and bake it for 10 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees. And that way, that's one method. And another method to not have your food sticking to your stoneware is to go ahead and sprinkle it with flour. And if you sprinkle it with flour, you're going to have less likely chance. But maybe you don't want that flour in your recipe. So go back to method number 1. Please hand wash your stoneware prior to use in hot soapy water. Also remember, never put it in the dishwasher. It really would damage your stoneware. But the one great thing about stoneware is if you need to, and you're using this jelly roll pan, you can actually use a sharp knife on it and not harm the surface. So enjoy using your stoneware.